What's the biggest mistake small business owners make on YouTube? Thinking they need to go viral to get results. But what they don't realize is YouTube isn't just a platform for creating videos. It's a powerful way to attract new customers. And when you set up your channel the right way, it sells for you 24/7, even while you sleep. So in this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process to build a marketing engine that works harder than your sales team ever could. I'll also throw in some tools that will help you out along the way. Speaking of tools, everything I walk through today is also broken down in our complete guide to YouTube for business. Inside, you'll find templates, channel setup checklists, video frameworks, and our favorite strategies to turn views into actual revenue. So if you want to keep this info handy or go even deeper, grab it in the description. It's totally free, and honestly, it'll save you hours of second guessing. Ready to get into it? Let's go. Now let me ask you something. You wouldn't buy a car off one photo, right? Same with your business. Posting one reel and expecting sales, it's like showing one picture of your car and expecting someone to buy it. It's not a reach problem, it's a trust problem. If people don't trust you, they won't buy from you, period. That's why short-term marketing tricks don't work like they used to. You don't build a sustainable business with one flashy post. You build it by earning trust over time. And that's exactly where YouTube shines. YouTube isn't just about reach, it's about relationships. It builds trust faster than any other platform because it gives you long-form, high-leverage content that does three things most platforms can't. It positions you as the expert. It builds real connections through your voice and face and stays searchable forever, bringing in leads months or even years later. Think of it this way. Platforms like Instagram and TikTok are like snacks and appetizers, but YouTube is a full-course meal. All right, now that you got the bigger picture of what's possible, let's get into the tactical side of things. Did you know that your first major opportunity for conversion actually starts before you create a single video? Let's break it down in 7 simple steps. You don't need to be a YouTuber to build a channel that converts. You just need to set it up right. Let's start with the basics. This is your foundation. You're setting the tone for how professional and trustworthy you look to a first-time viewer. Step 1 is to create a business account. Go to YouTube, hit sign in, and create a work or business account. A work or business account rather than a personal account lets you add team members later and keeps your personal info separate. Choose between a professional email or a Gmail address. We'll use Gmail. Fill out the information and you're ready to go. Once you're logged into your new YouTube account, it's time to create a channel. And step 2, choose a channel name and picture. You can easily do this by clicking on your profile button in the top right corner and clicking on Create Channel. Then you'll choose a handle. This is how people tag you or find your channel. You can change these later in the settings. Step 3 is where you add a profile picture. Now the profile picture is one of the first things people notice when they come across your channel, so it's important to make it count. You don't have to overthink this, but make sure it's high resolution and visible. Step 4 is verifying your channel. Before you start uploading, you'll really want to verify your channel. Most people skip this, but it's super quick to do and unlocks important features like longer uploads, custom thumbnails, and live streaming capabilities. Here's how to do it. Go to YouTube Studio and then click on a settings button in the left panel. Select channel and then feature eligibility. Go to the intermediate features section and click on the verify number button. Pick how to get your code, enter your phone number, and type in the 6-digit code you received, and that's it. You're verified. Now your channel is unlocked and ready for longer videos, better visuals, and all the tools you need to grow. And step 5, let's set up your channel banner. That's the big image at the top of your channel that serves as the prime visual real estate. Keep it clean, bold, and branded. You can create one in Canva using their free YouTube banner templates. Super easy. Upload it by going to YouTube Studio, customization, branding, banner image. Step 6 is writing a channel description. When people open your channel on desktop or through the YouTube mobile app, they'll see only a snippet of your channel description, so you need to make it count. Write like you're talking to a new subscriber and tell them what value they'll receive from your content. Include who you are, who you help, what your videos will help with, and then tell them what to do next. Want examples and templates? They're all inside the complete guide to YouTube for business, link below. Now for step 7, I'm gonna show you the secret weapon that most businesses completely overlook. And it's not a secret tool or some fancy plugin. It's your channel trailer. Most people upload a, "Hey guys, welcome to my channel" video and call it a day. Don't do that. Your channel trailer is prime real estate, and when used right, it's basically a 24/7 sales rep. Think of it as your video sales letter. You're not just welcoming people, you're giving them a reason to stick around and take action. Just like the channel description, you should include who you are, who you help, what kind of content to expect, and a clear pitch to your free offer or lead magnet. And here's a bonus tip to boost conversions even more. Update your channel link. You'd be surprised how many extra clicks and sales you can get just by making sure your lead magnet or offer is linked there properly. Now your channel is set up the right way. It looks professional, it's easy to understand, and people can see what you're about as soon as they land on your page. That's the part that most people skip, and it's why they struggle later. If you want real growth, the kind that drives traffic, builds trust, and brings in revenue, you need to create content that actually converts. Let me show you how. Because let's be honest, views are great, but they don't pay the bills. So why are creators with millions of views still struggling to make money, while others with way smaller channels are quietly building six-figure businesses? Simple, they're not chasing views, they're creating videos that convert. If you're a business owner, reach without revenue is just noise. Your content shouldn't just be entertaining. It should educate, build trust, and turn viewers into customers. And no, you don't need fancy gear or a massive audience to pull this off. You just need every video you make to follow this simple 4-part framework. Part 1, solve a real problem. Forget vague content like fashion tips for 2025. Your videos need to solve specific, high-intent problems your ideal customer is already Googling. Try something like 3 outfit formulas for busy moms that actually work, or how to build a capsule wardrobe for spring. And if you ever get stuck coming up with content ideas your audience will actually care about, try vidIQ's AI content generator. Just describe your niche and it'll suggest video topics that align with high intent keywords and viewer demand. Part 2, show proof, not promises. Saying our product is high quality doesn't build trust. Stories do, screenshots do, results do. Try this instead. After we posted a reel showing our linen jumpsuit on 3 different body types, we got 20 DMs asking about sizing, and 8 customers tagged us in try-on videos that weekend. That hits way harder because it's real. Part 3, deliver so good I'd pay for this value. If your free content is more useful than your competitor's paid offer, you win. Break things down clearly, give step-by-step frameworks, show examples. People should walk away from your videos thinking, if this is what they give away for free, what's in their paid stuff? In part 4, make them feel something. People buy from people, and people trust people who are real. So tell the truth, share what you've struggled with, be a little messy, be human. Try something like, I used to try on 5 outfits every morning and still feel meh. Now with a capsule wardrobe, I actually love what I wear, and it takes 5 minutes to get dressed. That's the kind of connection that builds long-term trust and long-term customers. If you want some more tips and tricks for creating engaging YouTube videos, check out chapter 5 of the YouTube for Business Guide linked below. Now, once you build that trust, don't stop there, because trust alone doesn't pay the bills. Let's guide that attention somewhere useful. Let's talk about turning those viewers into actual buyers. Here's the harsh truth no one talks about. Most videos lose sales, even the good ones. You post value-packed tutorials, get solid views, but no one clicks, no one buys, no one books. Why? Because you're treating your videos like free content instead of what they really are, sales tools. If you don't have a clear conversion system in place, you're basically pouring leads into a bucket with a hole in the bottom. So let's fix that. Here are 4 simple ways to turn your YouTube traffic into revenue without sounding salesy. Number 1 is add a clear CTA in your description, right at the top. Most viewers won't scroll, so make sure your offer link is impossible to miss, above the fold, right under the video. And keep the wording soft like, want the full spring wardrobe checklist? It's linked below, totally free. Whether it's a free guide, booking link, or product page, make the next step clear and clickable. Number 2 is using pinned comments to double your clicks. Think of pinned comments as a second chance to get the sale. Not everyone reads the description, but everyone sees the top comment. Pin one that says, want to shop the look from this video? All links are here. Or grab the free guide I mentioned. It's low effort, high reward, and it works. Number 3, let your channel trailer do the heavy lifting. Remember that video you said as your trailer earlier? That's not just for vibes. Use it as your video sales letter. It runs 24/7 for new visitors, automating your pitch without you lifting a finger. And make sure to link your lead magnet or offer in your channel link too. It's prime real estate, and most people forget to use it. And 4, make sure your videos show up in search. Use a tool like Taj AI to write SEO-friendly descriptions that help your content rank higher without needing to be an SEO expert. So now you've got your channel set up, your video is converting, and your links doing the heavy lifting. But here's the part most creators ignore, and it's what makes or breaks your success long-term: consistency. Let's talk about how to keep showing up without burning out. Let's be real, most business owners don't quit YouTube because of the algorithm. They quit because they burn out. And it's not because they don't have great ideas, it's because they're sprinting a marathon with no plan. But YouTube isn't about intensity, it's about consistency. And the secret to staying consistent without losing your mind? Batch filming. Here's a system. Once a month, block off one full day. Film 3 to 4 videos in one go, and schedule them in advance to publish weekly. Now you're always ahead, never scrambling, and actually enjoying the process. Here's a great tip to level up with each video. Put the video link into Google Gemini, make sure the YouTube integration is turned on, and say, this is my last video that I created for my business. Analyze the contents of the video and tell me how to improve the script and delivery to level up for my next batch of videos. And if your channel's plateaued, even though you're doing all the right things, this is probably the reason why. You don't need to work harder, you just need to work smarter and more sustainably. Let's talk about how. There's a reason creators with less talent are growing faster than you. They're not smarter, they're not better on camera, they just figured out this one thing: you can't scale alone. Yes, doing everything yourself at first helps you learn, but at some point, you're spending 80% of your time editing instead of growing your business. So here's your step-by-step hiring ladder to scale without over-hiring. Step 1, hire a video editor. This is your biggest time saver and frees you up to focus on strategy and performance. Plus, they'll make your videos look 10 times more professional, even if you're filming on your iPhone. Step 2, get a thumbnail designer. This is marketing, not just design. A killer thumbnail can double your views overnight. And step 3, bring in a scriptwriter. No more blank pages, and you'll produce content faster and make it convert, not just entertain. And no, you don't need a full content team on day one. Start small, outsource one task at a time, build your bench as the ROI becomes clear. Now here's a bonus tip: repurpose once, promote everywhere. Once your video is live, don't let it collect dust. Use tools like Opus Clip to instantly create short, snackable clips from your long-form video. These are perfect for Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts, each one redirecting viewers back to your full video. And pair that with HubSpot's free blog post generator to turn your script into a full article. And there you have it. YouTube is a long game, but if you treat it like an asset, not a side hustle, it'll become one of the most valuable marketing channels in your business. And if you want to shorten the trial and error phase, all of this is broken down: team roles, tools, and outsourcing tips inside the complete guide to YouTube for business. Grab it below, it's free and packed with super useful templates. Now, even if your videos look fun and beautifully shot, if the script isn't written specifically to convert, you'll still struggle to turn views into leads. So that's why I created this tutorial here, showing you a proven YouTube script format you can copy to instantly double your leads. It'll be linked at the end of the video for you to check out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more marketing strategies, tips, and tools to grow your business. Signing off.